The ratio of the radii of two taps T1 and T2 is 2:1. Water is flowing through them with the same velocity. What is the ratio of the time required to completely fill two identical drums kept under T1 and T2? So there are two taps here, okay, T1 and T2. The first tap radius, the radius between the two taps are in the ratio 2:1. So if the radius of the first tap is 2, the radius of the second tap is 1. So what is the area of the first tap? It is nothing but pi into 2 squared. Here the area of the second tap is pi into 1 squared. So 4 pi 1 pi. Now what can I say? See, they are saying that water is flowing from these two taps with the same velocity. So at any point of time, if there is 4 liters of water that is coming out from tap 1, how many liters of water will come out from tap 2? Only 1 liter will come out, because if you compare their areas are in the ratio 4:1. So what does that mean? If 4 liters of water is coming out from tap 1, 1 liter of water only will come out from tap 2. So if you take any tank, let us say you are having a tank which is two tanks, okay, which each the volume of each tank is 8 liters. So 1 second, okay, in 1 second 4 liter of water comes from tap T1. Means in how many seconds will this tank be full? In 2 seconds it will be full. Now if you look at tap T2, here in 1 second how many liters of water will come? Only 1 liter will come. Here where 4 liter is coming, here only 1 liter will come. So how long will this tank take to fill? It will take 8 seconds to fill. So the time taken to fill will be nothing but 1:4. When you compare the time taken by two tanks of equal volume, okay, to be filled by these two pipes, the time taken will be in the ratio 1:4, because their areas are in the ratio 4:1. Time taken will be inverse to that, 1:4. So just to explain that, I am explaining this example to you. See, area and time, that is, if area is more, time will be less. So area and time are inversely proportional. That is the concept used. So you should be able to say, if the area between the two pipes are in the ratio 4:1, the time taken will be in the ratio 1:4. Directly you should be able to say this. If you are not able to say that, take an example and see. I see, what example did I take? I assume that in 1 second, okay, 4 liters is coming out from this pipe, and if I have to fill a tank 8 liters whose capacity is 8 liters, I will take 2 seconds to fill it using this pipe. Same thing, if I am using the second pipe, in 1 second I will get only 1 liters, so total time taken to fill this is going to be 8 seconds. So instead of 2 seconds, I need 8 seconds here to fill a tank of the same capacity using pipe 2. So the ratio of time is nothing but 1:4, that is option D.